Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. First thing we need to do, rather before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here select your HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and find the option called the notifications. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. And if you don't have the required permissions enabled for the notifications to work, the app will redirect you to this page, device and app notifications or special app access. Or rather, not special app access, but notification access, something like this basically. And what we need to do is to find the HUAWEI Health application, and it should be denied because we don't have the permission, but we can tap on the app, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, then go back, and the status will change to allowed, which means we can go back to the HUAWEI Health application and the notifications will be turned on. And once you turn on the notifications, you will see the list of applications, and basically we can enable and disable the notifications for specific applications. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be also forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it here, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. So that's how it works. Also, if you want to see the notifications about for calls and SMS, you will need to allow more permissions. You will need to close the app for now, find the icon of the app, HUAWEI Health application, press and hold on it, tap on app info, tap on permissions, and here we need to allow call logs, contacts, phone and SMS, depending on which features you want to use. If you want to receive the notifications about calls, you will need to enable the call logs, contacts and phone. If you want the SMS ones, you need to allow the SMS. So I'm gonna allow them by tapping on one, tapping on allow, going back, like that. Okay, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the permissions. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I turned on the notifications for Discord before, so it should be working. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. And it is here. You can tell by this icon at the bottom of the screen. And if you swipe up on the home screen, you will open the notification panel. And here we have our notification. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.